Hey, it's Mac. Today I'm going to guide you through installing your Tipm with ease. Let's dive in. In your box, you'll find your Tipm unit and your user guide, which includes installation steps, core return, warranty, and other useful information. Now let's talk tools. You'll need a zip tie, pliers, scissors, ratchet, 13, 12, and or 10 millimeter socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by disconnecting the ground cable first, and then the positive cable. This prevents any potential short circuits. Zip tying the battery terminals together drains the capacitor, which resets the memory of the car. Next, we'll remove the old Tipm, starting with the lid, which can be easily pulled off. Unscrew the power post using a 13 millimeter socket and gently pull up the power post to disconnect. Press the plastic tabs with your fingers or use a flathead screwdriver to release the Tipm. Then, carefully unplug the connectors. Here is a different angle to show you how to unlock and disconnect the plugs. For these plugs, push up on the red tab to unlock, then press down on the body to release the lever. To remove, you may have to wiggle a bit. For the bigger plugs, press on the tab to release the lever and remove. Continue to remove the rest of the plugs like so. Now let's install the new Tipm. Plug in the connectors securely, ensuring they click into place. Make sure all red tabs and levers are back in their locking position. Ensure the fuses are sitting properly by gently pressing on them. Push the Tipm back into its bracket and secure it. Reconnect the power post and tighten the nut using a 13 millimeter socket. And now, gently snap the lid back on. Let's reconnect the battery. Cut the zip tie. Connect the positive cable first, and then the ground. Make sure both terminals are tight. Time for the soft reset. Turn the key to the run start position, just short of cranking. Don't start. Wait at least 120 seconds. During this period, the check engine light and many other lights on the cluster may flash. This is completely normal. After 120 seconds, turn off the vehicle. You can now turn your vehicle on as normal. If you still have lights on the cluster or other issues, you may have to do the soft reset multiple times in order for it to be successful. Test your vehicle to ensure everything functions properly. If not, then double check all fuses and relays are secure. If for some reason you need to process a return, please watch the next video. And as always, thanks for choosing Max.